Suresha EduTech is welcoming you all, and today you are going to learn about a business entity concept and how it should be showed in the accounts. Because this is a very basic thing. Without this, one cannot prepare the accounts. Even the chartered accountant should know about all these things. So it will be more useful for the school student who has taken the form of commerce, B.Cim, General Accounting Finance, B.Cim, and MBA, not only UG, PG, M.Com, but also professional studies, ICWA, ACS. Okay, so you are going to know about a very clear idea about this. And don't forget to subscribe this channel because you will get more and more educational videos under Suresha EduTech. Give your comments as well so that we can prepare the videos as per your requirements. So look at this business entity concept. Entity means a separate. That means each one is separate. For example, Raman and Kandan is separate. Raman has an entity because he can take his own decision. Kandan is a separate. Kandan can take his own decision. So both are separate. In the same way, company is also separate. For example, Raman and Co. is a separate and Kandan and Co. is a separate. Raman and Co. will take the decision based on its own way, and Kandan and Co. will also take on its own way. But what is business entity concept? So now you could understand it is a separate entity means a separate power. Each one has its own separate power. And here, what is business entity? Business entity denotes that a businessman is different, business is different. It is as per the accounting concept because accounts concept insists that business owner can invest the amount. They may invest the amount so that it is not possible to show that whatever the amount goes out. So accounting concept says show even the business owner takes the amount from the business, you show it in accounts so that business owner is separately treated and business is separate. Whatever the money goes out of the business, it should be showed. Whatever the money comes in the business, it should be showed. So business is separate and owner is separate. Look at this balance sheet. From the balance sheet, you can understand how business entity concept is prepared. Okay, balance sheet of Raghu and Co. And this Raghu and Co. Raghu is owner of the business. Say for example, balance sheet of Raghu and Co. as on 2024. This balance sheet prepared in 2024. You have to write as like this. As on only you have to write for the balance sheet. So Raghu is the owner of the business and how it is showed in the accounts. See that balance sheet, liability side and asset side. Here the liability side, first item is showed, inner column capital 5 lakhs and less Raghu taken for his personal use 10,000. So 5 lakh minus 10,000, 4 lakh 90,000. So see this, capital is the owner only have given the amount 5 lakhs. Okay, Raghu is the owner. He only invested 5 lakhs rupees. That is showed in the capital liability side. Less. Raghu has taken the money for his personal use. He has taken the money for his personal use. Personal means for his family members he would have spent for going a movie or any clubs and all. It is for their personal. Personal means connected to his family. We don't need to get information, but he has used for personal. So this personal use of 10,000 should be showed in the accounts. Okay, so that is very important. So this is important because even he is a owner, if he takes any money, that should be showed in the accounts so that it is showed in the liability side. Capital owner money, that is Raghu invested 5 lakhs. He has taken the amount 10,000. So you have to show in the accounts like this. It is not that the owner has taken the money. Even though he is the owner, as per the accounting business entity concept, owner is separate, business is separate. So that business is showing that Raghu has taken money. That's what it is called business entity concept. So you should not miss the amount of 10,000 and should or must show this in the accounts. This is called a business entity concept. Hope you all understood this. And if you have any doubts in the accounts, you can put it down in the comments. And also I put links of other subjects and topics. There are some basic accounts I explained already. You please go through it in the previous video. On following this, I will put more and more in accounts videos. Please view that. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe and forward this video.